I'm Chef Justin, and today we are right outside of the Fresh from Florida test kitchen because we are going to be grilling. And so it's time to get out those grills and our favorite foods and to start cooking outdoors. So today we're gonna do some simple preparations that are gonna make your grilled veggies delicious. So let's go ahead and get started. Our grill grate is clean, our coals are hot, our veggies are mostly prepped, so let's go ahead and get them on the grill. I've got my little stainless steel mixing bowl here. And let's go ahead and put on our corn first. I'm just gonna take my sweet corn and I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil and then a little bit of my favorite seasoning and some fresh herbs. And then I'm just gonna toss these just a little bit just to get a light coat. And these are ready to go on the grill. Now we're just gonna repeat this process with the rest of our veggies. How long is it going to take some of these veggies to cook? And that is an excellent question. There are a lot of factors going into this. Several of them are the heat of the grill and where we're placing things on the grill. Other parts are how thick did we cut some of our veggies and how dense are they. Everything's going to have a little bit of different cooking temperature, and it also depends on how you like to eat your veggies. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with our eggplant, and we can get these on the grill. Remember, our food will continue to cook after it's off the grill. This is called carryover cooking. So we want to pull it right before we think it's done. I'm going to go ahead and start pulling this corn. And again, I've got my clean platter here ready to go to put these veggies back on. We don't want to put them in the same container that we used to bring them out. These grilled Florida veggies are going to be an amazing addition to any other thing you're grilling, whether it's Florida seafood or Florida meat. This is going to be the perfect way to serve your meal, and it smells delicious. It was simple and quick. I want to encourage everybody to go on the website, follow Fresh from Florida, and check out our grilling recipes. In the meantime, I'm Chef Justin, and remember, keep grilling.